so great to be able to welcome the partners here today, to introduce ourselves to one another, the agents to Pathway partners.
Nice food, nice drinks, and a lot of agencies and university Pathway partners, so it's great.
I write emails to these people, I see their names, and we're looking and we're going, oh, it's you, hi, nice to meet you.
It's very important for our partners and agents to come together and network. And actually our new facility, see our new campus.
We've already been to Toronto campus, and we are really pleased to visit Vancouver campus as well as to communicate with all ILSC team.
Now it's very easy to sell the programs here because I know the quality of the school and the activities they do here. I just love the school.
I'm really enjoying myself at this great event at ILSC here in Vancouver. My region that I'm responsible for is East Asia, and I'm very happy to see there's a lot of agents from that region that I can kind of connect with here.
We have a chance to learn more about the program for ILSC and also the university schools and the colleges.
It will help us to work in the Middle East for sure, because it's very nice to see people in person and to get to know more about their programs.
It's really important for us when we go back to Korea and then we can counseling with the students.
We work very closely on many different levels. We do fairs together, our staff come to ILSC to meet students directly, and also staff from ILSC come to Douglas with students.
It's exciting for us to be partnered up with a school that has the reputation that ILSC does. So we see a very good fit between the students who go to your school for ESL services and those which aspire to become artists by going to Vancouver Film School.
It's one of the best schools we've worked with, and it is important for me to be here in person to support the school that we love the best.